A very good morning, children. Children, as we all know, that from next week onwards, we have our exams, right? Final exams. And so, for this, today I'm going to give you the pattern of the paper along with the portion which is going to come for exam. Children, now you don't write this, just understand this, and at the end of the lecture, I will once again send this image. Okay, children? लेक्चर ख़त्म होने के बाद वापस आई विल सेंड दिस इमेज. ये पिक्चर जो है वो मैं भेजने वाली हूँ. ओके, सो नाउ जस्ट listen to what I'm explaining and you can write it earlier. Okay, children? Now, the portion for your final exam is lesson number 16, Natural Resources, lesson number 17, Effects of Light, and lesson number 18, Sound, Propagation of Sound. Okay, children? You have only 3 lessons for your final exam. Once again, I'll repeat, children. You have lesson number 16, that is Natural Resources, lesson number 17, that is Effects of Light, and lesson number 18, that is Sound, Propagation of Sound. Okay, children? And your pattern of the paper is question number first, fill in the blanks, match the columns, true or false. Question number second, complete the flow chart, name the following, classify the following. Question number third, odd man out, put right or wrong. And question number fourth is answer in one sentence. Now, children, I know that below the textbook all this is not there. Okay, children? So I am going to give you the revision of each and everything. Children, only from below the textbook you have to learn fill in the blanks, match the column, and answer in one sentence. This all will come from your textbook only. Okay, children? Once again, I'll repeat, children. Fill in the blanks, match the columns and answer in one sentence. ये जो 3 questions है वो आप लोगों को टेक्स्ट बुक के नीचे से ही करने हैं, उसमें से ही आने वाले हैं. ओके, एंड रेस्ट ऑल मतलब बाकी का जो सब है जैसे ट्रू और फॉल्स, नेम द फॉलोइंग, classify the following, find odd man out, put right or wrong, all this will be given to you in the revision. Okay, children? Okay, so you all can just pause the video and write the revision. Okay, children? Or else mark it in the textbook, or you can write it in the separately in your science notebook itself. Okay, children? Okay. Now, first we will see about true or false. Fill in the blanks. First one, when the beams from the headlights of a car fall on an object in the night, the shadows called dash and dash can be seen. Your answer is umbra and penumbra. Okay? Once again, I'll repeat, children. When the beams from the headlights of a car fall on an object in the night, the shadow called umbra and penumbra can be seen. Okay? Second one, During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the dash falls on the dash. Your answer is Earth and Moon. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the Earth falls on the Moon. Okay. Third one. During a solar eclipse, the shadow of the dash falls on the dash. Your answer is Moon and Earth. Once again, I'll repeat, children. During a solar eclipse, the shadow of the Moon falls on the Earth. Okay. Fourth one. Various shades of the color are seen in the sky at sunrise and sunset due to dash of light. Your answer is scattering of light. Once again, I'll repeat, children. Various shades of the color are seen in the sky at the sunrise and sunset due to scattering of light. Okay. Next again, fill in the blanks. Sound is generated by the rhythmic dash of an object. Your answer is vibrations. Sound is generated by the rhythmic vibrations of an object. Okay. Second one, the frequency of sound is measured in dash hertz. Okay. That is Hz. Once again, I'll repeat. The frequency of sound is measured in hertz. Okay. Third one, if dash of sound is decreased, its loudness also decreases. Your answer is intensity. Third one, if intensity of the sound is decreased, its loudness also increases. Okay. Fourth one, a medium is necessary for dash of sound. Your answer is generation of sound. Once again, I'll repeat. A medium is necessary for the generation of sound. Okay, children. Next is match the pairs. That is match the columns. Flute, vibrations in the air, frequency measured in hertz, sound level, decibel, ultrasonic sound, frequency more than 20,000 hertz, and infrasonic sound, frequency less than 20 hertz. Okay, children. Once again, I'll repeat, children. Flute, vibrations in the air, frequency measured in hertz, sound level, decibel, ultrasonic sound, frequency more than 20,000, and infrasonic sound, frequency less than 20 hertz. Okay. Next, name the following. Children, ये जो नेम द फॉलोइंग है यहाँ पे, वो भी आप लोगों को लर्न करना है, और मैं जो देने वाली हूँ वो भी आप लोगों को लर्न करना है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू लर्न बोथ द नेम द फॉलोइंग. ओके, first one, the sound frequency is about 20,000 hertz. Your answer is ultrasonic. Second one, the medium through which sound is most clearly propagated. Your answer is solids. Third one, the range of frequency in which humans hear sound. Your answer is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Next, fourth one, the sound level physically painful to humans. Your answer is above 100 dB. Fifth one, the unit of sound level or intensity. Your answer is decibel. And sixth one, bats and dolphins can hear these frequencies. Your answer is ultrasonic sound. Okay, children. Next we'll see true or false. Okay, children. Learn this from this true or false only. It will come for exam. First one, the sky appears yellow. False. Second one, we can hear the movement of our hands. False. Third one, coal is a form of natural gas. Your answer is false. Fourth one, decibel is a unit to measure the distance. Your answer is false. Next, the main component of natural gas is butane. Your answer again is false. Sixth one, we can observe solar eclipse with naked eyes. Your answer again is false. Next, mica and sulfur are non-metal minerals. Your answer is true. Next, copper is a bad conductor of electricity. Your answer is false. Ninth one, CNG catches fire easily. Your answer is true. And last, pearls are costlier than gold. Your answer again is true. Okay, children. Once again, I'll repeat the true or false. The sky appears yellow. That is false. Second, we can hear the movement of our hands. False. Coal is a form of natural gas. False. Decibel is a unit to measure the distance. False. The main component of natural gas is butane. False. We can observe solar eclipse with naked eyes. False. Mica and sulfur are non-metal minerals. True. Copper is a bad conductor of electricity. False. CNG catches fire easily. True. Pearls are costlier than gold. True. Okay. Now, children, as I had said earlier, that name the following and also whatever I have given here in the slide, you will learn it by heart. Okay, children? First, a unit for measuring sound. Your answer is decibel. Second, two medicinal plants. Your answer is Adulsa and Bale. Third one, two mineral resources. Thorium, sodium, mica, coal. Okay, you will write any two. Okay. Next one, components of natural gas. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. You can write any two. Minerals used as gems. Diamond, ruby, sapphire, etc. Next, the two metal minerals, gold and silver. Next, two types of coal, peat, lignite. Next, two bioresources in oceans, shells and fishes. And last, two uses of wood, making furniture and construction work, farming implements, etc. Okay, children. Children, once again I'll repeat. A unit for measuring sound, decibel. Two medicinal plants, Bale and Arosa. Two mineral resources, thorium, sodium, coal, mica. Components of natural gas, methane, ethane, propane, butane. Minerals used as gems, diamond, ruby, sapphire. Two metal minerals, gold, silver. Two types of coal, peat, lignite. Two bioresources in oceans, shells and fishes. And last but not the least, the uses of wood, making furniture, construction work, etc. Children, with this we have finished the revision of half of the paper pattern. The remaining half I'll give the revision in your next pin. Thank you.